Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch stocks on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you need to do is to go into your Robinhood application. And after that, all we need to do is just to go to the investing tab. So here we will find these tabs here or this menu. And basically we are interested in the investing menu. And now all we need to do is just to go here and start searching for stocks. And as you can see, now we can find our stocks and that they are loading and of course they are uh, changing, etc. And as you can see, those are the stocks. You can click on this so you can see your stocks to have a full read on a stock. And as you can see, you can either have a stronger view or like a more uh, shorter view, etc. And you can zoom in to through the time. And as you can see, those are the timelines, and you can see the time here. So basically, you can also check on the stocks from here, or you can also start creating your watch list. So here we will find the details of the stock. You can just go to your list, and as you can see, you can see your first list, and it has the icon. You can sort the list by something, and you can watch your list, your stocks from these lists. You can also create a watch list if you would like. So as you can see, you can give it a symbol. You can give it name my uh, created list or whatever. And from here, you can start adding the stocks that you would like to watch inside this list. And you can click on search and you can add any type of stocks that you would like to add. And that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. And thank you for watching and see you next time.